presidential debate tomorrow night. He's qualified, which means he should get ready for comments like this.
Mr. Bloomberg, like anybody else, has a right to run for president. He does not have a right to buy the presidency.
It's Bernie Sanders at a rally in Richmond, California, ahead of Super Tuesday on March 3rd. A hospital director who had been at the center of the coronavirus fight in Wuhan, China, has died of it. Chinese officials announcing a slight slowing in the number of newly reported cases, more than 73,000 worldwide, most of them in China. This is ABC News.
All right, time now for the KSL In-Depth. The Daytona 500 ended with a dangerous crash that has driver Ryan Newman in the hospital this hour in serious condition.
Corey LaJoie was one of the drivers who collided with Newman's car, and he spoke just moments ago on Good Morning America.
That was a really scary wreck, and all of our thoughts and prayers with the Newman and their family.
And take us back to that moment on the track, because your car did collide with him, but what was it like being on the track at that moment, being in that accident?
It was wild, man. I didn't even know who I hit because you're concentrating on trying to get a good finish, and nobody realizes how fast 200 miles an hour is, or how light or how uncontrollable these cars are when you get out of shape. I didn't even know who I hit or what the extent of the crash was until after I got out of the infield care center. So it was until somebody told me that Ryan, they took him straight to the hospital. I was obviously nervous. I haven't seen the replay beyond what was shown right there. So it was obviously a very, very scary crash, but the fact that he's still with us and he can hopefully make a full recovery is just a testament to the NASCAR R&D group and how safe they're trying to make these race cars.
And Ryan has been very outspoken about the safety of the drivers in these race cars. And do you think that this accident will lead to some of those changes that he spoke about?
I think NASCAR's really on the forefront of trying to make racing safety, as well as just the cup cars, all the short track cars all across the country. NASCAR's on the leading edge of making our cars safe, whether it be inside or outside. I think that they're taking my car as well as Newman's back to the R&D Center to evaluate those and what they can make better. We have the next gen car coming in next year that have a lot of safety upgrades as well. But just the fact that that was the worst possible spot to get hit. So the fact that Ryan doesn't have life-threatening injuries, but obviously he's in serious condition. So we're all thinking about him. Ryan's been a pillar in the garage for decades now. So obviously everybody wants to see him back at the racetrack as quick as possible.
And of course, they keep talking about it. It was to the day, 19 years ago, the Dale Earnhardt final lap Daytona 500 goes head on into the wall around turn 4. And they said there is no doubt in anybody's mind that Ryan Newman would not have survived that wreck had it happened in 2001. But because of what they learned from the Dale Earnhardt crash, he's in the hospital with just serious injuries this morning, not life-threatening, just crazy. Okay, that's the In-Depth, of course, on KSL at 15 and 45.
Just after 6:19, Triple Team Traffic brought to you by Mountain America's 3% balance transfer bonus, Andy.
And right now I'm watching I-15 look good through Salt Lake County. Volumes increasing a bit in South Salt Lake and a little bit near 90 at South, but not to any extra time on your drive yet. All clear along Bangerter Highway so far. Twilla County, though, a little bit of a delay building northbound SR 36 in Stansbury Park and in Lake Point, Eric.
Heading north on the 215 eastbound, no problems there. Going up to I-80 or Foothill Drive. Foothill is a clean drive right now going to the University of Utah. I-80 out to the mountains, no problems there. You got Dry Road out to Parley Summit and eventually to the Kimball Junction exit to Park City. Not going to have any difficulties.
We're looking pretty good still through Weaver Davis County. A few extra cars now southbound I-15, especially through Clearfield, Layton, and Kaysville. But no brake lights yet. You're also looking good on US 89 as you make your way through the South Weaver area onto I-15 and Legacy Parkway in good shape. Heather Kelly at the KSL Traffic Center.
Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 9's. A very warm 7-day forecast as we check back in with Grant Wayne.
We get pretty quiet weather here the next couple of days. Going to stay a touch on the cooler side, though. 40 today is going to be the high. We'll have sunshine. Tomorrow, sunny skies at 41, and then mostly sunny on Thursday. We're at 42. It's warmer on Friday. Sunshine up to 45. That'll feel pretty nice. And 46 on Saturday. Great day. Lots of sunshine once again. Warmer on Sunday with south winds, clouds, and up to 51. And then snow showers Monday, 38. I'm Grant Wayman.